Handicare is a market-leading stairlift brand. The production of our stairlifts takes place in our modern factories in Heerhugowaard, the Netherlands, and Kings Winford in the United Kingdom. With our 130 years of lifting experience, we have a strong legacy, while our innovations such as Vision, Voice Connect, Photo Survey 3D and the Active Seat ensure that Handicare is ready for the future. A Handicare Stairlift is just a phone call away. Our experienced advisors listen to your wishes, and together you will find the most suitable solution for your staircase. Your staircase is accurately measured with photos, which guarantees the best fit for your stairlift. With the advanced Photo Survey 3D system, your stairlift advisor can immediately show you what the stairlift will look like in your home in 3 dimensions. With the widest range of stairlifts, there is always a Handicare Stairlift perfect for you. Based on the measurements, our technical drawing department generates a drawing of your stairlift configuration. Provided you're 100% satisfied with this configuration, the production of your stairlift can begin. The combination of robotic machinery and state-of-the-art technology enables Handicare to produce your top-quality bespoke stairlift within 1 week. Your stairlift will be welded with robotic precision, resulting in a smooth ride up and down the stairs. In the Handicare factories, more than 600 skilled employees around the world produce over 150 stairlifts each day. Your stairlift rail will now follow its route through the Handicare factory to be painted. The rail can be finished in any rail color to suit your home decor. In order to maintain our high quality, the unit components are laser scanned and tested before entering the production process. Meanwhile, your stairlift seat and motor unit are constructed by Handicare's experienced technicians. To guarantee reliability, every unit and seat are put through a performance test before being approved and made ready for transport. The rail, seat and unit are combined for shipment to you. A Handicare certified technician will install the lift in your home, clean and ready within a couple of hours. The stairlift can be used immediately after installation. Handicare, the #1 choice in stairlifts.